In this video, I will guide you on how to get refund on Shein. First, open the Shein app. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the Me section at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on My Orders. Then find the specific order and tap on Return Item. Choose the products you want to send back and select your reason for the return. Select whether you want the refund sent to your original payment method or your Shein wallet. Then choose your preferred shipping method to generate a return label or drop-off QR. Now you want to place the unwashed, unworn items with their original tags and packaging inside the box or shipping mailer. Now attach the printed return label to your package and drop it off at the designated carrier or local drop-off location. Once your package is delivered to the Shein warehouse, it takes 5 to 7 business days for their team to inspect the items and officially approve the refund. The time it takes to see your money depends entirely on the refund method you choose. If you have selected Shein wallet, then you will get it within 24 hours. If you have selected credit or debit card, then you will receive your refund within 7 to 14 business days. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.